The whisky industry is one of the largest and most iconic industry in the world. But in addition to making whisky, you also produce a number of byproducts. The unused barley, which is known as draff, is left as a byproduct. And likewise, at the end of this process, when you're distilling off the ethanol, you're left with pot ale. What we found we could do is by combining the pot ale with the draff, we can make a soup that we can ferment using totally different types of organisms, and they're able to convert that biomass into completely different chemicals, and in particular, biobutanol, which is the world's next biofuel.
It's the individuals, the people that have been driving this with the know-how and the determination that is going to see events such as this potentially transform the way we think about transport in Scotland and, who knows, the world. This is truly an example of innovation in action on a universal scale.
Celtic Renewables has made significant progress in the first phases business operations. On the technical side, we've managed to upscale the patented fermentation technology from the benchtop lab scale of the research up to small commercial scale. And we've also begun to refine the overall engineering process, which will envelope the fermentation and allow us to develop the blueprint for our overall industrial solution. We've attracted almost £500,000 worth of funding through grants and private investment, and that's put the company in a very strong financial position. We received industry recognition in February 2012 when the company received the highly prestigious Shell Springboard Award for low carbon innovation. We now need to decide whether we deploy on a small scale with 1 or 2 distilleries in a local community, or we can work with a whole cluster of distilleries producing large volumes of renewable chemicals, and particularly biobutanol, which is a direct replacement for petrol that can feed into the whole of Scotland's road transportation fuel market. Our vision for the future is to deploy this technology on a global basis, producing vast quantities of biofuel and other renewable chemicals. This could represent the opportunity to generate millions of tons of carbon savings throughout the world.
It's been a very interesting and worthwhile journey for me, but the journey really is only beginning with the establishment of Celtic Renewables as an independent company to try and bring a brand new industry into Scotland and play its pivotal role in bringing sustainability to Scotland.